The codes I'm going to share in this video will help you check if your Samsung device is fake or original. By the time you put this code into your dial and nothing pops up or come up, then you are probably dealing with a fake device. But the fix to this, which I'm going to discuss at the end of this video. So stay tuned. First code you want to dial is star hash 12580 star 369 hash. So you should bring up these menus. The thing we are looking at is this ROF card. This shows you the first time your device was turned on after production. So for instance, I got this phone by around November and it was first turned on there is October, yes. So that means this device is authentic. But if this dashboard doesn't come up after typing the code, then your device might be a fake. Second code on our list is star hash 2663 hash. So what this does is take you to your device firmware version and your wireless connectivity, just like your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and everything wireless. So once this works, these two options works for you, then your device is original. If you try those two codes on your device and none of them seems to bring out any pop-up, chill. This is what you should do. Come to your settings and you tap on this search icon and you type auto blocker. You tap on auto blocker. You tap on it and make sure it is turned off. As you can see, your device is protected. What this does is basically to prevent your phone from threats and suspicious activity. And because as it is turned on, let me try those codes again. You can see star hash 2663 hash. You can see nothing comes up. It does not mean that this device is fake. What that auto blocker basically does is that when maybe unauthorized person get access to your phone and they try to use USB code or some code to bypass one or two stores from your device, it will stop those connections. So once you toggle it off, these codes can then work for you. Then once you are done, you can toggle them off. So that is all. Do let me know if you find this video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe and share.